Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lithuba ngibonge i-support nothando enisikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisisapothe njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela-ke singene kwividiyo namuhla. Ey'nsukwini ezedlule ngike ngabona la amaphoyisa ukuthi angene kwenye ifemu ngapha e-KZN lapho bekusolakala ukuthi umqashi uqashe ama-illegal foreigners noma undocumented foreigners abalelwa ku-300. Kuney'thombe nje engizibonile zamaphoyisa zama indlela yokweqa ngoba ngathi ikhampani le bebeyivalile bevinqanda ukuthi amaphoyisa angangeni.
That these are some of the undocumented foreign nationals which have been taken out from this textile factory. And we also understand that some of them come from Zimbabwe, but the majority comes from Malawi, Iman. And also right now, the Home Affairs Department officials have been engaging them and asking them questions if that they even have any permits to be providing labor services here legally. And the answers that they had received was that no, they are not in a possession of a valid permit. So when we got here, we were also able to witness some arrests being made. We do not have the correct figures at this particular point, but we are also hoping that we are going to be addressed by the Premier, which has already arrived. The PC, the Police Commissioner of KwaZulu-Natal, we were told that he is making his way here. So it was quite a bit of a dramatic start this particular morning. There are also South Africans here, Iman, that work in this particular factory. And as you can see that they are in groups, so they have been divided, undocumented foreign nationals placed on the other side, as well as those who are South Africans placed on the other side as well. As you can see, both genders, there's also males, there's females as well that actually work in this particular factory. So at this point, the owner of the factory, we understand, is not around, but the manager is here. She refused to speak to us and also refused to give us details with regards to where are the managers of this particular factory. So we can expect for this particular raid to actually continue. Right now, a verification process is going to be conducted by the Home Affairs officials, to determine exactly how many undocumented foreign nationals are actually here as
Ngokubona ukuthi bafikile ngempela babheka babathola ngempela bakhona labantu njengoba ubona ukuthi kunamaphoyisa kukhona be-immigration labaka Home Affairs bazobheka yonke lento ukuthi ngabe labantu bakhona okusemthethweni banawo amaphepha ngisho ama-work permit abapha imvume phela ukuthi abasebenze khona la eSouth Africa ngabe kukhona la njengoba besho ukuthi umnikazi wendawo akekho. So kuyajabulisa ukubona lana amaphoyisa esebenza kanje ngoba kusho ukuthi mangabe bawu-300 ngempela kusho ukuthi kunabantu bakithi abawu-300 esebezoqashwa manje. Noma sazi-ke ukuthi kuqashwa labantu bangaphandle ngoba benzela ukubachaphaza bengabakhokheli imali ekufanele babakhokhele yona. Kodwa at least manje bazoqashwa abantu bala eSouth Africa. Premier ubaba uNtuli ufikile naye. Njengoba kuthiwa no-Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi owukhomishina ubelindiwe okulindile ukuthi nawe uzofika ufikile naye. Sizocapha la ukukhuluma khona uPremier sizwe ukuthi utheni yena.
Ubani usho njalo yabona nje ukukhuluma kanjalo umZulu kuyihlamba kumaZulu.
Bathi abanyosisi cha kufanele ukuthi kuqashelwe abantu bangaphandle ngoba abantu abangamaZulu abafuni ukusebenza. Angeke ngazi-ke, angeke ngize ngimphikisa, angeke ngimvumele. Kodwa-ke njengobuzwa nje ubaba uNtuli athi lokho okushoyo kuyinhlamba. Ngicabanga ukuthi isizathu esenza lokho ukuthi labantu laba akusisezweni labo la. Thina la sinale nkinga yokuba sezweni lethu. Lento yenza ukuthi kube khona imisebenzi esiyitshela thina ngeke siyisebenze. Bese-ke befika bona ngoba ukuze bona balale badlile funeka basebenze, ukuze bona barente la bahlala khona funeka abasebenzi noma kuthiwa imali incane kanjani bayisebenza lento ukuthi umsebenzi ufunwa ngomunye. Thina ke yabona usisi statement sakhe ngiyavuma mhlawumbe usisi ukhona athandana naye ngoba phela bayathandana nabo la baze babe nezingane nabo. Njobe ekhuluma mhlawumbe ukhuluma ngoba kunesoka lakhe nomuntu athandana naye la. Kodwa into enza ukuthi nje kubonakala sengathi abantu abangamaZulu abafuni ukusebenza kulezi ndawo ingoba sinalento yokukhululeka kakhulu, sinalento yokuyijethi sisezweni lethu singcono thina. Kube khona imisebenzi esibona ukuthi thina isifanele edifanele abanye.
Go, guys, go. Go, forget about that now, boy. They're closing the gates. No, I'm just saying what they let it happen. I'm holding you. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm holding you.
Do you know Mr. Singh, who's the deputy minister? Narek. You don't know Narek? Oh. Okay.
I know he's the deputy.
Oh, but you don't know.
He's your deputy.
No, he's a speaking to the trainer from the province.
Yes,
Yeah. Not the minister.
oh,
For such a good work, then the illegal activity is unfortunate, quite very unfortunate. So, how many are from outside of South Africa who are working here?
but over 100.
100 is a small number. The number I have is different from this one. Because I got this information long time ago. My informers informed me about this. Because I announced that in the whole of the province, this activity must be stopped. And I said people must call and give information. So they did not give that number. They gave me a number which is more than 250
No,
for this area alone.
maybe the area, the whole area. Not just here.
But the police will tell because they need to get some of them. They will tell how many.
Okay, so what happens now? It closes. The factory closes.
Sorry?
We have to close.
No, the police, they will direct you. They'll tell you what to do. They'll tell you what to do. I think this is the evidence of the good work that is done by the police, as led by the Project Commissioner Hlahla Mkhwanazi, and also Department of Labour and Home Affairs, to embark on an operation to curb this thing of the undocumented foreign nationals that are all over in businesses that are employed, which is quite very unfortunate. And I want to believe that what they do now is going to ensure that even those who want to come into our country illegally, they will fear that the police don't go to KwaZulu-Natal. They know that going to KwaZulu-Natal, the police will catch you, even though the owners of the businesses will know that they will get arrested, because after this, the owner must face the consequences. And as the government of KwaZulu-Natal, provincial government, we are quite happy with what the police are doing, with what the Department of Labour and the Department of Home Affairs are actually doing here. We are going to embark on more operations because we have information. We know where else there is information that there could be people who are here illegally.
Are there talks about possibly deporting these undocumented foreign nationals?
Yes, they are deported. Even on the previous operations, I even spoke to the National Minister of Home Affairs, indicating that they have even procured buses to ensure that they deport them. They are deporting them because that was the frustration I got from the side of the police, that now their accommodation has become too crowded now. Fortunately, I spoke to the minister. I have no information which suggests that there is still a problem about that now. I'm hopeful that even those who were arrested today, when they have been processed by Home Affairs and discovered to be here undocumented, then they will have to be processed.
Njengoba ubona ukuthi impela uGeneral ufikile naye commissioner-ke wase-KZN ubaba uMkhwanazi nobaba uNtuli njengoba kade ubona. Asikuncome nje umsebenzi abawenzile, asikuncome. And ever since uNtuli engenile, hayi kuyanyakazwa ngempela ngoba akusifeme yokuqala le abagasele kuyo, akusifeme yokuqala. Siyawubona umehluko. Yebo i-GNU ayisebenzi kodwa akufanelanga sidla amandla abantu phela bayingxenye nabo ye-GNU, bayingxenye yokubuswa kwezwe ngokubambisana namanye ama-political parties. So umsebenzi abawenzile uyancomeka. I-GNU mhlawumbe ayisebenzi nationally kodwa nje provincial khona la isebenza khona njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi lapha e-KZN ngoba nakhona phela bakwi-GNU ne-DA ne-IFP ne-ANC ukuze baphathe babambisene. So siyakuncoma impela lokho abakwenzile. It's a different story ke makuza la eGauteng. Sizokhumbula ukuthi ngokwedlule ucommissioner wala eGauteng wakhipha incwadi ethi laba abantu bohlelo okuthiwa i-ex deport nale kuthiwa isizokuthola uma beyofuna ukuthi bacela amaphoyisa abaphelezele akulikho iphoyisa elivumelekile ukuthi libe ingxenye yalolo hamba bazihambele bona bodwa. Ngibone kune channel yona le bathi ex deport kuMoja Love. Usisi lo uvezile impela naba abambile ama-foreign nationals amanye anama documents amanye wana okuwes banama-ID wala eSouth Africa abanye asazi noma i-fake noma kanjani kodwa kufike kwangithusa ukubona amaphoyisa efike evikela labantu laba bokufika. Ngicela ubone na.
Official that you see here is the backup for this very same store to hear and protect the store instead of dealing with the crisis that we have la eMzansi, illegal migrant. So my criminals are right in your face. This is a criminal. Okay, it's fine. What are we doing? Okay, Baba, who are you?
They told the members living on parade when we were putting in party. We mustn't be aligning ourselves with Moja Love, arrest of Moja Love. That's a mandate that we're given.
Ngobuzwa ukuthi njengoba ubona nje ukuthi bathe mabegasela afika amaphoyisa abavikela. Ngiyasaba ukufaka amanye amavideo la ngenxa ye-copyright kodwa nje isimo lesesibhekene naso eSouth Africa ukuthi ama-SAPS asebenzela ukuvikela labantu. Futhi sizathu salokho sonke siyazi, nawe uyasazi nami ngiyasazi ukuthi bayakoleka. Nsuku zonke kaThixo kunemali abayikolekayo kulabantu laba. Baphila kahle. Yazi ngeke ngibona mina amaphoyisa afika ame-shop yamaSomalia. Afika nje shop aphume nebhodlela eli-empty athola ucold drink engazange akhiphe mali ngoba yenye indlela leyo eyenza ukuthi bakwazi ukubavikela. So ama-foreigners avikelwe ama-SAPS EMPD, GMPD na wonke la amanye kodwa nje ngisho into esengeke ngayibona akusiwo wonke phela ama-SAPS anjalo, akusiwo wonke kanjalo. Nawu wabonile wase-KZN beweqa lapha efuna ukuthi ababanjwe impela abantu kodwa wala eGauteng nane-mandate abanikwana ukuthi bangazi-associate. Isona sizathu leso sibonayo. Bengithi akulethelena kanti former president we-country Jacob Zuma kwakhuluma ngendaba ama-foreign nationals zocaphuna yena emveni kwakho bese siyayivala ivideo.
I must also say some of the issues raised by the representatives of the foreign national do need to be discussed. Firstly, at SADC as well as African Union. Some of them had very serious allegations against their own countries to explain why they're in South Africa. In fact, some of them warned us that there is almost certainty another wave of refugees coming, given the developments in their own countries. And they answered the question why they jump all these countries to come to South Africa. Because what is expected with refugees is that if your country is problematic, you jump to the neighbor. But these take trouble to jump all the countries until South Africa. They explained why. That will be contained in my report because, in a sense, I don't think we need to appear as being critical to other governments. We can't. But they said, all of them, wherever they are, they know South Africa is a safer country. That's what they said. Some have left their original countries, lived in other countries, but the situation was still not safe. They say only South Africa. They say South Africa has a clear constitution that defends its citizens as well as citizens from outside of South Africa. And that South Africa, when they are here, they live like Africans among their brothers and sisters. They don't live in camps. So, in a sense, my view is that these matters do need to be discussed by the AU. Because much as we can have a problem alleged to be xenophobic, our brother countries contribute to this. Why are the citizens not in their countries in South Africa? Because it is not useful to criticize South Africa as if we mushroom these foreign nationals and then ill-treat them. They are here because some were very sharp in criticizing their country, that if you raise a voice in country X, you disappear. This is what was said by them. And I'm happy because the chairperson of Africa Diaspora Forum is actually writing a report on the basis of the meeting we had. So it would not just be my report. It will also be the report of people from these countries. I think this matter must be discussed because, in a sense, everybody then criticized South Africa as if we have manufactured a problem. Because even if people who are xenophobic are a minority, but what prompted these refugees to be in South Africa is a matter we cannot shy away as South Africa not to discuss. Because we need all of us need to handle our citizens with care. So we are very happy that we hear there are some mamas that this matter must be discussed in the AU. Very happy to give us an opportunity to deal with the matters in South Africa and in other countries in the continent that lead to this situation.
Ngicabanga ukuthi fanele lelo daba lema illegal foreigners ke likhulunywe kahle kuzwe neyisombululo ukuthi kuzokwenziwa njani. Futhi into eshow former president uyayibona ngoba uma sebela eSouth Africa beyingxenye yabantu base South Africa bayakwazi ukuya emakliniki bathole usizo ngayo yonke indlela ababe besabandlululeka njengabantu bangaphandle. So asazi ke ukuthi kuzokwenziwa njani. Asazi kuzokwenziwa njani. Kodwa ke bakhona abanye abenza ubugebengu la ezweni lethu. Babenza kahle ngoba amaphoyisa akwi-payroll yabo. Angeke kuboshwe, angeke nawe nje ngeke uvume ukuthi ubophe umqashi wakho. Ngoba phela uma bebopha bona abezu ukuyithola le mali abayithola kulama illegal foreigners. Thina vele kithi ngeke bathole imali ingakho sibe ngeke baze basinake. Bengithi angikulethe le video. Mina ngiyazibuza namanje ukuthi ngabe ama Metropolis nama SAPS awaholi na. Ngingibuza ngoba ngendlela abathatha ngayo imali ngaba baholi na. Ngiyafisa kodwa wazi yangichazele mhlamba abaholi singaze sibasole kanti nabo bafanele baphoqwa isimo ukuthi abaholi. Ngiyafisa nje wazi yangichazela ukuthi ngabe abaholi na. Ngasibambe le video. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwi video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.